I'm Kelly.
Welcome to
The
the
Regis and Kelly Show. Okay, we're going to be interviewing a disguised dog. Okay. You have the first question, Regis.
Are you gonna have a unibrow when you grow up?
Are you going to have one when you get older?
Okay. Alright, time for you, Kelly.
Are you DK Regis?
Are you a guy or girl? I'm a girl. Are you sure?
Are you an alien? Final question.
You seem like a cat.
Thank you.
Okay, you're disguised. We're gonna find out who you are.
Alright, well, walk in there.
It's in Montana!